And thanks for coming. And I just want to let everybody know that I'm going to be making these Monster Munch cookies. They're oatmeal and they're ready to bake and everything. But not before I got to do some chicken tacos that I'm going to make the kids and the husband that they want. So I just want to let you guys know that. And don't forget to come back and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Guys, and thanks for coming back for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. And that's Michael behind the camera. And over there, Ginger, come here. And where's Teddy Bear? Come here, Ginger. Come here, Ginger. Hello, baby girl. I can't touch her because Mama just watched. Hi, baby. Mama just washed her hands. So very quick here, guys. My oven is on 325. We're going to be making some Halloween Monster Munch oatmeal cookie with peanut butter and chocolate. What, Michael? Like chocolate chip?
Like chocolate candies.
Like chocolate candies, yeah. So this is it right here, $2
for Halloween.
From Nestle. They already pre-cut, but after this, later on, I'm going to be making, guys, cookies from scratch. Some sugar cookies from scratch.
From actual scratch,
okay. I went and got my all-purpose flour.
Oh, look how pretty.
So here they are, you
Those
see?
are pretty.
I know, right? So all we got to do, Mike, is break them. I think they will fit here, right?
Oh, yeah. They all will.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Just want to do... Hi, Mike?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, that way we can... Oh, two of those there. And we can put them like this. So here we go, guys. Cutting away.
What are those on top? Skittles?
They are, it says it on the bag. You see? They're peanut butter. These are like oatmeal cookies with peanut butter something.
Chocolate, peanut butter, and chocolate morsels. Topped. I almost said chopped. Topped with candy-coated gems.
Yeah, so they're going to grow a little bit. So I think, do you think that's enough? Like, thing, right?
That's enough for me.
And then I think
everyone
more.
can sit there.
Yeah, no, I don't think I can put all the cookies here in one.
Yeah.
And then it says to bake in between how many minutes, Michael?
13 to 14 minutes, but we like our stuff crispy.
But we're going to leave it a little bit more, right, Mike?
That's right.
20 minutes. So here we go. Here's the tray, guys. The rest of the cookies are there. I'm going to make another tray and put it in the oven. We're going to take them out. And the boys are going to have some of these oatmeal cookies with peanut butter and s'mores or whatever the chocolate is inside, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
There's some coffee that I'm making over there.
Oh, yeah.
And then while this is in the oven, I'm going to be making some chicken tacos.
Oh, yeah.
See, I'm cutting all my stuff there. So here we go. And then we're going to make another tray.
Yes.
And put the rest on. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, and follow us. You know what to do. And don't forget to come back. Thanks for watching. Two, one, and we're coming. They're coming out. But I'm going to go bake again. And start. Because I have another thing in the bottom that they're not done yet. But these are done. So I'm going to take them out. And those are baking down there. Wow, look at these, Mike. These are oatmeal. What is it? Oatmeal, peanut butter, blah, blah, blah. What did you call them, Mike? They're really hot.
Peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies.
Mm-hmm. Peanut butter. Oh, no, they're oatmeal.
No, peanut butter and chocolate.
What does it say there? Okay, let people read.
Look,
oatmeal cookie doughs with peanut butter and chocolate morsels or morsels. Top with candy-coated gems. Well, chocolate chip.
So they're peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies.
Peanut butter. They're oatmeal and peanut butter cookies. They're oatmeal and peanut butter cookies with chocolate s'mores or whatever. Right? Something like that? Come on, Michael. Don't be staring at me. You know
peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies.
Peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies?
Yes.
No, they're oatmeal cookies. It says it right there, Michael. Why you keep on doing that? It says oatmeal cookie dough with peanut butter and chocolate
It was
morsels.
oatmeal cookie dough and it was raw.
Oatmeal cookie dough with peanut butter and chocolate morsels.
No, but it was raw.
Oh, okay, I got you.
And once we cooked them, it's
so
not
here
dough
they are,
anymore.
Guys.
It's the cookie, yeah.
And I have another tray. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come. Well, I don't have to come back with the thing. We're gonna close now. We'll just show you guys before we close. Come on, Mike. I want you to show the other cookies that we have up there. You know what I told you from the top, so I don't look, you know what I'm saying, that ugly. But these are the other cookies. Show everybody the other cookies as we have them. And with that, we're gonna let you guys go. Just make sure that you look for your Nestle pack of cookie Halloween cookies. They have, how many of them do we have? I think it's let me see, like 20, 25 cookies that we get. What does it say there? 24 cookies.
Right there,
24,
24.
Yeah, 24 cookies, and for $2.24, I mean, you gotta pay like $6, $7 now for like 15 cookies, like 10, 12 cookies. And they're not even good. These are delicious. I'm not gonna eat one, but Michael, go ahead and eat one for everybody. Come on.
No, I'm not
It's a good
hungry.
thing. Are you gonna eat it later then?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, guys. With that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook, and look us up on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on Patreon. Look us up on Patreon. Click down below, and you can donate $1 or not if you would like. And if not, you can go to lifeabundance.com/for-all, which is a website for your puppies and cats. And for now, for the holidays, you can find your Halloween outfits there, and showy toys and presents for the neighbors' dogs, or to get the food for your dogs, you know. But we have all that and a lot of stuff. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to follow us. And here are your Monster Munch cookies that we just made for part of the Halloween. And with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Have a great night.